Hi, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, LinkedIn for Thought Leaders. My name is Nyna Caputi. I'm a LinkedIn thought leadership coach, consultant, and trainer, and I help purpose-driven women professionals and businesses leverage LinkedIn to showcase their thought leadership and get the opportunities and results they want. If you're using LinkedIn, don't treat it like you're throwing spaghetti on the wall. Have a strategy in place or in mind. Ask yourself these questions. What is my ultimate goal? Why am I using this platform? What do I want to be known for on LinkedIn? What is my thought leadership and how can I showcase and share it? Who is my target audience and how do I want to reach them? And finally, what problem am I solving for this target audience? If you have the responses to these questions, it will help you with creating and optimizing your LinkedIn profile, creating content, and building a relevant network. So every week, I'll be sharing tips and how-tos on how you can use LinkedIn to build your thought leadership, authority, and credibility, and to get the success that you want and you deserve. Thank you so much, and I will see you every week. Bye.